morning everyone. What we have learned in the previous class? We have learned the importance of air and then properties of air we learn. What are the importance of air? Can you say some importance of air? Plants and animals and human beings need air for breathing. Okay, they take in oxygen, they breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. And plants, during the photosynthesis time, plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. And then nitrogen is helps to plants grow. And then the tires of the tires of a car, scooter and some other vehicles is must need to be filled with air. And then wind helps to clouds move, and then that dry clouds, and then wind turbines and gliders, and then sailboat, these are all move, it helps the wind. And then next what we learn? Next one, the properties of air we learn. What are the properties of air? First we learn air occupies space. Properties of air. First one, air occupies space. Air occupies space. And then second one, air moves. And then third one, air has weight. Air has weight. That air occupies space. Already on that I have done one experiment. Take two balloons in the same size and blow air into one, and then compare both the balloon. Which one is are they the same size? No, that only one balloon is bigger. That which balloon is enter the air, so that balloon is bigger in size. So that is that air occupies space. And the next one, air moves. After a few minutes you are spraying a room freshener, that room freshener, that fragrance smell is spread all around the room, so that air moves. With that proves air moves all around the room. And then another one experiment, air has weight. The same thing, and the two balloons, take two balloons and one balloon, they blow air into the balloon and tie the two balloons into the hanger, and then one side, that center side we handled, so that air is which side is air in the balloon, that inflate the balloon, so that side that hanger is tilted downwards, so that proves that air has weight. And then today we are going to learn another one property of air. Air expands and rises on heating, and the air contracts and sinks on cooling, so that also one of the property of air. Air expands and rises on heating, and contracts and sink on cooling. This is also an experiment, that is a very interesting experiment. Okay, so first you can take one bottle. Okay, take a bottle and tie a balloon into the neck of a bottle. Take this bottle and tie a balloon to the neck of a bottle. Neck of the bottle, and then this container is filled with next one, place this bottle in the container filled with the hot water. I don't have hot water, so just I explain. Okay, so take this container and then place this bottle into the container filled with the hot water. Can you see the board? Let's see the board. Listen, that this is a bottle. First insert the, take the balloon, tie a balloon into the neck of a bottle and then place this bottle in a container filled with the hot water. This is hot water. Filled with the hot water, and then next you listen, you will observe the bottle, you will observe that the balloon starts to become bigger and expense. Okay, you listen here. We place in this picture, we place the bottle in the container, and then next here you see, here the balloon is deflated, and then when we place this hot water, you will observe that balloon starts to become bigger and expense. Okay, become bigger and expense. This is because that air is in the bottle warm and expand. Okay, this is because the air in the bottle warm and expand. So that only that balloon is stretches. Okay, so when that air is contracts, okay, when the when the air is heat and expands, when the air is heat and expands, that balloon that bottle is need space. Okay, need more space. That balloon is stretches and hence inflated. Can you clear? We place this bottle in a hot water. Okay, this container is filled with hot water. Here we place this bottle. Here the neck of the bottle we tie a balloon, and then after few minutes you will observe starts to become the balloon bigger and expand. The balloon அப்படி என்னது கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா விரியும். அது எப்படி அப்படினா, this is because that air in the bottle, already in the bottle என்ன இருக்கும், air இருக்குது. So the air warm. Okay, that air is warm and expand. இந்த air உள்ள இருக்கக்கூடிய air வந்து warm ஆன உடனே அந்த bottle வந்து expand ஆகி அந்த ஏருக்கு உள்ள space extra this air need more space. Okay, as air expands need more space. So that air is enter into the balloon, the balloon is stretches to expand and inflate it. Okay, உள்ள air போய் இந்த balloon என்னவாயிரும், அந்த inside அந்த balloonக்குள்ள air போய் inflate ஆயிடுது, விரிஞ்சிருது. And then next step, we place this bottle in the container filled with ice. Okay, next step, inside the bottle we have filled with ice. That place this bottle inside a container filled with ice. Next you will observe, starts the balloon. Okay, you will observe, start the balloon, the size of the balloon is reduces. Okay, இந்த balloon பாருங்க, இது பெருசா இருக்கும். அதே போல நம்ம இமிடியேட்டா அங்க ஐஸ் வாட்டர்ல வச்சோனே இந்த balloon size எப்படி ஆயிருச்சு, reduce ஆயிருச்சு. Okay, the size of the balloon reduces. This is because that air in the bottle, already you know that inside the bottle that air is filled. So that air in the bottle cool and contracts. Okay, இங்க உள்ள air என்னவாயிருது, cool ஆகுது, சுருங்குது. So cool ஆன உடனே இந்த bottle உள்ள air வந்து சுருங்குது, cool and contract. So that air contracts, it need less space. Okay, that air contract, it needs less space. அதுக்கு space தேவையில்லை, சுருங்குது. So என்ன ஆகுது, உள்ள ஏர்லாம் இந்த பலூன்ல உள்ள ஏர்லாம் சுருங்குது. So hence it is hence that balloon is deflated. Can you clear it? Once again I explain. Air expands and rises on heating. Air வந்து நம்ம வந்து ஹீட் பண்ணுறப்போ அது வந்து என்னவாகும், அந்த வச்சிருக்க வெசல் ஏதோ பாத்திரமோ அது என்னவா ஹீட் ஆகும். அட் த சேம் டைம் அது எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் ஆகி பாட்டில் வந்து விரியும் ஏர் ஹீட் பண்ணுறப்போ. அண்ட் தென் கூல் பண்ணுறப்போ அந்த பாட்டிலில் உள்ள ஏர் வந்து என்னவாகுதுன்னா கான்ட்ராக்ட் அண்ட் சிங்ஸ், சுருங்குது. கூல் பண்ணுறப்போ ஏர் வந்து சுருங்கும். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், take one glass bottle and tie a balloon to the neck of the glass bottle and then place this bottle in a container filled with the hot water. Place this bottle in a container filled with hot water, and then you will observe that the balloon you will observe that the balloon starts to become bigger and expand. Okay, bigger and expand. This is because the air in the bottle warm and expand. So that balloon it's need more space. Okay, it's that warm air need more space, and then hence the balloon is stretches, and then that balloon is inflated. அது உள்ள அந்த air வந்து press ஆகி இந்த balloon வந்து என்னவாகுது, விரிஞ்சிருது, inflated. And then next step is place this bottle in a container filled with ice. Okay, hot waterல வைக்கிறப்போ balloon வந்து inflate ஆச்சுது. At the same time அந்த பாட்டில வந்து ஐஸ் கண்டெய்னர்ல வைக்கிறப்போ என்னவாகுது, கான்ட்ராக்ட் ஆகுது, அங்கே உள்ள ஏர்லாம் சுருங்கிருது. And then place this bottle in the container filled with ice. You will observe the size of the balloon reduces. இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும், இதுக்கும் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் இருக்குது. The size of the balloon reduces. அதோட சைஸ் வந்து சுருங்கிக்கிட்டே வருது. Why? Because this container is filled with ice. ஸோ இந்த பாட்டிலுக்குள்ளே உள்ள ஏர் வந்து என்னவாயிருது, கூல் அண்ட் கான்ட்ராக்ட். ரொம்ப கூலாக இருந்தால் கான்ட்ராக்ட் ஆனோன்னா அது என்னவாகுது, சுருங்குது. ஸோ ஹியர் that balloon that inside that air is cool and contract, and then it's need less space, and hence that balloon is deflated. balloon வந்து என்ன, அதுக்கு ரொம்ப ஸ்பேஸ் தேவையில்லை, சுருங்குது, அதனால balloon வந்து deflate ஆகிடுது, அதில் உள்ள ஏர் எல்லாம் கான்ட்ராக்ட் ஆகிடுது. Can you clear this one? Okay, so this also one of the property of air. Okay, now what are the properties of air? Air occupies space, air moves, air has weight, air expands and rises on heating, and contracts and sinks on cooling. நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி பார்த்தோம் சரியா. ஹாட் வாட்டரில் வைக்கிறப்ப பலூன் வந்து என்னவாச்சுது, விரிஞ்சுது. ஸோ தட் நீட் ஹாட் வாட்டரில் அந்த பாட்டில் வந்து நீட் அ மோர் ஸ்பேஸ். ஸோ தட் ஒன்லி தட் பலூன் inflate, and then at the same time we place the bottle in the ice. That bottle is contracts, cool and contracts. They need a less space, and then contract deflate the balloon. Okay, balloon வந்து சுருங்கிருது. And then next one, another one experiment also. Let us learn another one experiment. Air occupies space. Air occupies space. I will be able to demonstrate. Demonstrate that air occupies space. Air occupies space. Things needed. Things needed. Plastic bottle 1. Balloon. Okay. This is take one plastic bottle and then take one balloon. First tie a balloon, insert the balloon into the plastic bottle. Insert the balloon into the plastic bottle and secure it tightly the mouth of the bottle. Okay, and then take the plastic bottle and insert the balloon into the plastic bottle, and then secure it tightly over the mouth of the bottle. And the mouth la enna pannum alaga and balloon idu paniyachi. Next take that bottle, hold the bottle with one hand and blow air into it. Here the space is there. Okay, so now I blow the air. Listen, that balloon is, don't inflate it. Okay, you will observe that the balloon does not inflate when you blow in the air inside the bottle. Why? This is because I make sure that the balloon does not inflate inside the bottle, because already that bottle is filled with air. Okay, so that bottle, that empty bottle, that bottle is already filled with air. So when we blow air, so that balloon is don't have space. Okay, so that balloon don't inflate inside the bottle, because of already that air is filled the bottle, and hence there is no space. Okay, and hence there is no space for the balloon to expand and inflate it. Okay, so expand inside the bottle. The balloon வந்து உள்ள வந்து அது blow பண்ணி விரிறதுக்கு ஸ்பேஸ் இல்லை. ஏன்னா the bottle already என்னவா இருக்குது, air is filled with the bottle. Already you know all the empty places air is filled. So that bottle, that empty water bottle, already air is filled. So hence there is no space inside the balloon to expand and expand to there is no space of the bottle. Okay, to expand inside the bottle. So that only, so already you know this experiment is proves that air occupies space. அங்கே ஸ்பேஸ் இருக்குது, இந்த பலூனில் நம்ம ப்ளோ பண்ணோன்னா அங்கே ஏர் போகிறதுக்கு ஸ்பேஸ் இல்லை. ஸோ ஆல்ரெடி நோ தட் ஏர் ஆக்குபைஸ் ஸ்பேஸ். கேன் யூ கிளியர்? ஸோ these are all the properties of air. Okay, what are the properties of air? Air occupies space, and then air moves, and the next one, air has weight. Air expands and rises on heating, and contracts and sinks on cooling. ஹீட் பண்ணுறப்போ ஏர் என்ன பண்ணும், எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் ஆகுது, விரியிறப்போ பலூன் வந்து ஈஸியாக எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் ஆகுது, இன்ஃப்ளாட் ஆச்சுது. அட் த சேம் டைம் கூல் வாட்டரில் வைக்கிறப்போ பலூன் இஸ் that cold water is has a less space and occupy and deflate it. That balloon வந்து என்ன ஆகலை, blow ஆகலை. So can you clear this topic? So air around us, in this lesson we learn two the subheadings. One is that importance of air, another one importance of air, another one properties of air. What are the importance of air? Animals and human beings need air for breathing, and then plants take in carbon dioxide during photosynthesis time, take in carbon dioxide and give oxygen. At the same time, the tires of vehicles, all the vehicles need to be filled with air, and then wind helps to move clouds, and then wind helps to the dry clouds, helps us dry clouds and flying kites, and then the wind helps to wind turbines, gliders, and then sailboat. All this move is used, all the way, all of this move with the help of wind, and then that wind moves the clouds also. So nitrogen is helps to grow plants. These are all the importance of uses of air. And then next one, properties of air. So some experiment also I done. Okay, what are the things needed? With your parents you will do these activities. Okay ma? So these are all the very very simple activities, if you able you do in your home. So today's that properties of air we can learn. That air occupies space, and then air has weight, air moves, and then contracts and cooling, air has weight, air move and air heating and rises on air. Okay, this experiment, today's experiment, air expand and rises on heating and contracts and sinks on cooling. Okay, so can you clear these experiments ma? Yes. Okay, thank you.